Hello, welcome to Stay Active with Dr. Joy, Physical Therapist. Today we're going to do some strengthening exercises involving the use of light resistance band. On this particular exercise, we're going to further strengthen our legs, and we can do this in a seated position. Hi, Fancy. So, we're going to place the band securely at the bottom of our foot, like so. And we're going to hold the ends of the band with our hands. Okay, so straighten the knee to start with, and then gently and slowly bend the knee, and then push it down as if you're hitting the brakes. Hold for 3 counts, 1, 2, and 3, and then release with control. Release it for about 2 counts, 1 and 2. Let's do it again. Push down towards the floor, just like I said, like pressing on the brakes or the gas, and hold 1, 2, and 3, and let go with control. And one more time, push down 1, 2, and 3, and release for 2, 1, and 2. Great job. Now let's try the other side. You okay there, Mr. Fonzie? Okay, here we go. Bend the knee and then push down. Hold for 3, 1, 2, and 3, and release for 2, 1, and 2. Again, press down 1, 2, and 3, and release for 2, 1, and 2. And one more time, 1, 2, and 3, and release 1 and 2. Great job. I hope you find this exercise helpful, and I'll see you on our next episode. Bye-bye. Good job. Yes, Mr. Fonzie.